idiot. Vedant Chandra Kisi Vishwavidyalaya or Bimal Ghosh, criminal Gaurika Ghosh or Mila Ghosh, Tukito, Tushito, Tuhina, criminals to show motherhood to moon, just like idiots and sisters and daughters of veterinarians, to show this animal lover in the different stage, wildlife preservers, Chudir Bacha, and Chudumarani went to go to Red Cross to show sympathy in this Rohingya, etc. African Chudumaranis. My machine, they're trying to forget her pain, grief. She could not find her such babies. If I had taken her babies in my kitten lap for giving affection, she had been afraid and cruel. Why you are catching my baby's kitten? Now she has lost. It's so painful and so hopeless. With machine, she has been kept in. That's so depressed. She cannot seeing all the crimes doing her eyes. To whom to blame, to whom to report? That Joy Biden Chudir Bacha is a culprit criminal, idiot in the whole world. Oh, the idiot culprit criminal who to claim that post of USA like top technology base, whole the universe had become vulnerable at that technology US criminals have developed. And those technology has been transferred to China by those idiot criminals. Those pathological, biological handles, digital, radioactive, nuclears, etc. These criminals who have transferred those, the C6 best friendship within the African, black, Nigerian, Islamic terrorist or Somalia or Indian, Asian-born, yellow, brown, Khanki leftist criminals, savage, Berber, blue sexy, culprit, shaitan. How to do cruelly remain veterinarian, to claim that best population of these peoples. She has been made so depressed. She cannot cry. To suppress her pain, she is just complaining me. She is searching her son's baby, but she cannot see. She is restless. She is with body ache, so pressure on his body, mind. It cannot be expressed, cannot be. And Judi Chudir Bacha, that Obama is to take better generation of future. I was a father of idiots, mother of Chudumaranis, to talk about, I am mother, I am a father, I am a faker of humanity, culprit, criminal, faker, killer, idiot, to sit in the USA president post. And all criminals to take that all secretary post of key post of the USA, where you cannot get any judgment, safety, security people, how people are dying in coronavirus. Even vaccine has developed. 4 months has been released, and you idiot is not able to manage your snow-affected people, and people are dying so badly. You have blamed Donald Trump because he too blame again that who to produce this coronavirus. But you mump your mouth and who you produce the coronavirus, how this strain is being spread rapidly and how best way China has. And the worst sufferer country in each every disease to get fast infection by the third party taking from your USA lab by these ship predators through the seaports, what that Richard is giving consigned as saying Jesus' voice. And that you are to suppress all the facts as an idiot. You incompetent to sit. Your integrity is so low. You are just criminal. You are Satan. You are son of witches. You are vulgar. You are just son of beach culprit criminal, Joy Biden. But you have blamed Donald Trump. Only the best of the best president in the USA, if it has the Donald Trump. He is the honest. He has blamed all this present criminalized, all criminal has dominance. Who meteorological world, human body, your hold the secretariat post. Even the Donald Trump, all the culprit criminals doing drama, imposter that took the post. Now you're in the regime, all this imposter have that taken the post. Today may not be the 25th February, on the sad day of the demise of one villagers due to heart attack, as a very horrible, terrific situation in Bengal, India, we to face every day people's life losing premature manners, remain strong, all young ages and older ages know. And so many comorbidity increase now in Maharashtra, which is common the Bahamas, of your top, that Bermuda Triangle region areas, to do with this massive setup of Greenland, Iceland, where that setup and British Columbia, etc., Hawaii, etc., but mainly Mexican Gulf. That from Caracas, that culprit criminals, savage peoples, savage government of Colombia, Caracas, and that is what Venezuela. These peoples and bringing the whole criminals who has brought Africa from USA, unless culprit criminal dacoit goons would not leave country as illiterate. India has never suggested advice to leave countries. Better you hunger and die in India, but you do not leave, cross the boundary of border, because that is afterlife. It will be very horrible. You do not leave. The Indian religious teacher does not inspire that you leave, you go visit foreign countries, because malign, that you do not make your body complex malign, that you will be cursed, sent to, thrown into hell by the God for your attachment of this vulgar enjoyment of life and cruel crime you are against the humanity all. Now the white people have done little bit wrong, but they have suffered at your hands, that you Joe Biden and Barack Obama is like African, and that yellow, brown, Indian, the different way you have to take, excuse that you have. Your forefather has come through Israel, Poland, etc., those in Ireland. Is that all the criminals from India to go in this route and to Romania, etc., to manage passport, visa, to enter in USA as if they are from white people has come from Europe. All these culprit criminals, Indian, that crime doing against the humanity. All creatures, birds, animals, human, is horrible, terrific situation, so fearful, so horrible, so tensed weather, atmosphere, earth in earth, that cannot be described. I am repeatedly asking that my things has been. I do not believe that those things can be done, performed, earth penetrating power below, from exactly 180 degree below Mexican Gulf to reach that same Indian to harm the Indian on opposite surface. That was to make puzzle to me last 10 years. I could not make doubt that people can come in ethereal figure with magnetic field in vast deep sea media, vast amount of water depth. They are putting their heavy that metallic system, their figure, that magnetic figure is becoming so lengthy that it is as if we are seeing, feeling, listening their voice. Their in magnetic field voice is becoming more spreadable voice. So that voice is coming in mute form, as I have spiritual power that listen to them. That exactly again Richard is giving me the same concept that you are right. Because they can see this all. Leechers, the best viewer of all things, and the birds, animals, cat, etc., and cow, who are horribly at painful state by that Indian veterinarian as the worst criminal. You cannot, even in India, there is veterinarian doctor is not allowed to be butcherer. They cannot plead for that. And